This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin on the lock screen. Press power and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so updates can download. Sign in with your Google account to restore apps, extensions, and settings automatically. This saves time and keeps data synced. Once signed in, enable a PIN under Security for faster access and activate secondary users or guest mode if others will use the device. These steps ensure you're secure, synced, and ready to configure system features. Now you configure the middle layer. Open settings and adjust display brightness, screen timeout, and keyboard backlight to extend battery life. Turn on Android apps and, if you need development tools, enable Linux Beta under Developers. This gives you broader app access and terminal tools. Next, install core apps from the Play Store and add progressive web apps from Chrome for fast launch. Make sure to organize apps into folders on the shelf so you can find them quickly and stay productive. To finish, enable automatic system updates and confirm device encryption to protect data. These prevent many future issues. Back up important files to Google Drive and mark them for offline access so you can work without Wi-Fi. Once done, tidy the shelf, lock screen options, and privacy permissions. If things go wrong, apps crash, the system is slow, or sign-in fails, try a restart, then a power wash, factory reset, or use Chromebook recovery media. These actions often resolve deeper software errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.